Guys, we did it. We reached 4 million active installs, and we did it thanks to you. We should give something back. I have just the thing. Walk with me. Follow me. So, this is Josh, one of our lead developers.
Yeah. Hey.
Hey, Josh.
Hey, what's up, Ben? How's it going?
Listen, I have the greatest idea. Why don't we let our users pick the next Elementor feature?
Yeah, I don't know, Ben. I don't know if that's such a great idea.
What do you mean? Come on. Think about the users.
Yeah, but check out. Look, our dev board for 2020 is already jam-packed with
Man, don't be a
groundbreaking
drag.
features that our users asked for, and
We have 4 million active installs,
we don't have
man.
any. No, seriously, man, we can't. No.
I don't see the problem. You just take a few tasks.
How many times do I have to tell you, don't touch the dev board? You never ever touch the dev board. It's not gonna happen. It's never ever.
So here are 4 of the top requested features. Lead collection. Collect leads submitted by Elementor forms without having to use external services. Steps for forms. Build multi-step forms that provide a better experience for users. Lottie widget. Lottie is a library that renders After Effects animations in real time and adds them to your site without coding. And the Instagram widget, a useful tool for any creative professional, letting you showcase your Instagram feed directly on your site. So there you have it, 4 great features to celebrate 4 million active installs. We're inviting you to click on the link in the description and cast your vote. Go ahead, every vote counts.
Can't trust those dev guys. 4 million active installs. It's for users. Yeah, no, Reds should go on the left.